vision.
The was is in. This has gone a mile away.
Oh, superb delivery. The batsman's been out there. He's just got himself cooled down. He gets up there and the bowler comes in.
Problem bowling from the commentator box end, the south end as such. But here he is now to the maestro himself. Oh, fantastic delivery!
Now, that's a perfect use. This time
That's bowled in. That's done. Shearing can.
And that's bold. That's high quality.
Bowled in. Got his man.
Oh, he's got him. 2 in a row.
Not much doubt about that. What an answer. Beautiful slow. Oh, it's clean bowling. That's on strike. 2 slips in position. Tearing away again. Oh, bowling! Bowling! Beautiful delivery.
Bowden. Bottom edge back. Bowden. Now quick as that. Bowden, yeah. Just straight out pace.
Oh, beaten for pace.
And he's got a great strike rate in terms of batting. That's just a cracker. Well, yes, got him this time. 1 or 2 wickets. But he doesn't worry about this because this 0.592. There it is.
His body, especially when he's looking to hit the ball through covers. And he's gone.
Oh, he's knocked him over. What a...
Oh, and he's bowled him. Leg stump.
Got him, played on. Adams, ball him, clean him up with a fan. Oh, clean him. This.
Bowled him out. Sheer pace.
Yes.
Bowled him out. 4.
Bowlham. Magnificent delivery. He was dismissed in the first innings. Through him. Bowled. Oh, and he's got another. He has got another repair.
Bowling. McCallum's gone. Bowl! Oh! On the full. Slow one and bowled him.
Oh, beautifully bowled. Oh, clean him up. What a delivery. Oh, bowled him. Fantastic delivery from... Oh, it's gone. Cleaned up. Oh, bowled him with a slow one. He didn't realise it, Shoaib Akhtar.
Bowled him. Bowled him.
Bowled him. Akhtar Yorker. Chop chop. Ram. Out.
Well, that one's a...
Got him. A knock.
bowled in. Terrific, outstanding shot.
Oh, Bolden. Shoaib Akhtar has gone.
Boundary line.
Kicks out, he's out. Oh, close, he's got it! He's on a hat-trick! Shoaib!
Oh, that's beautifully bowled. Oh, yes, he's got him.
Shoaib Akhtar. Close. And given by the umpire.
Now, that's not a bad shout. That could be very close. It's gone.
That could be close. It's gone.
Warren Khan's going up. The finger's gone.
And this time, he's dropping.
A bit of an outside edge. Rashid Latif takes